You search for how to buy shares of SONN CVR Megrer. SONN CVR Megrer is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SONN CVR and operates in the industrial manufacturing sector. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and here I use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker CVR to find the security. Make sure you select the correct listing for SONN CVR on NASDAQ. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right stock. Check that the listing shows SONN CVR and NASDAQ before proceeding. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in the Portfolio or Holdings section. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform.